Nag-wish na. Yay! Tapos yung
Good morning, guys! So, this is my special day. Punta kami ng banana. Ay, nakakala! Paabot na ng eye drops yun sa loob. Ba't nang matawag ka paabot ng eye drops sa cabinet? Ang kako eye drop dito. Ano ito? Happy birthday! Sabi eye drops. Diba eye drops? Happy birthday! So guys, kakainin natin ngayon yung Big Mac na ginawa ni Mother. Tsaka banana cake. Dahil pupunta tayo ng Banana Island, magdadala tayo ng banana cake. Woo! Okay, so tapos na mag-breakfast. And kailangan natin magpatingon ng hair. So, gamitin na natin tong blower na gift ni Mother Earth. Wow!
To write, to make your own, it's easy as said than done. Got nothing worth to show. Over and dead before we said all is said before, yeah, we don't really know.
Gamitin na natin agad tong pabango from Sisterette. So let's open. Wow! Oh. Spray. So sponsored by Cyril from Sadhguru Travels. What is this? Bottega Veneta Elazione. Thank you. Let's go. On the way. Wow. What's your outfit, Mother Stripe? Thank you for the flowers and balloons and special cake. Thank you. And of course, myself. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Al-Shuk Port Terminal. So, 30 minutes daw before the departure time. 11, so late na kami. Sana makaabot kami. Search name. Ang tagal-tagal kasi nito. Siya may birthday, oh. Siya daw. Okay, see ya! Wow!
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie.
O, ito nga na. Yung palit sa akin, no? Ikaw naman.
Tari naman niya. Wow! Happy birthday!
To write, to make your own, it's easy as said than done. Got nothing worth to show. Been over and dead before we said all is said before, yeah, we don't really know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Channel mo.
Clyde Untalan. Ate, ano daw channel mo? Papalo niya. Thank you po.
Picture mo na kayo ng
Idol. Siya po. Sa first class ako. I-record natin yung...
Hindi mo na lagay. si Myra.
Bukay mo, Moira.
Myra pa rin siya. Sign ko. Tado ko lakad ko dyan. Sasabuloto kita. Okay guys. Bye-bye. See ya. See ya. You're really gonna jump away. So, guys, ilang minutes tayo doon, guys? So, ilang minutes tayo doon? Bago pinagdaldan.
Wala.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what. Something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know that you're safe. You'll be my best.
Hi guys, video to. Wala na.
Kaya lang hindi ko kasi may discount din na kasi nandun si Ray.
Baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping.
Okay, ready guys?
Thank you, Cap. See you. Stay tuned in our vlog po. Saan natin? Hello. Hi. Masagkasan ka.
Saan yung saging?
Ma, are you okay?
Wow, nasa Maldives of Qatar. Wow, social mother. Wow, ganda. Ganda guys.
Hi. Magaling golf?
Hi guys.
Oh my, we both look so fly like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. Oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi.
Wow, lobster ma. Ma.
More. 280 real. Lobster. 300. 300 real. Juices.
Juices.
Honey. Honey na lobster.
Ito sa ano? Ganda ng view. Ganda ng view. Oh my God. Ma! Say hi. What can you say here? Hey, birthday girl! Hey, Moira! Ang sexy naman ni Moira. Diyos ko, day. Ang puti ni Uday.
Tita, lalo
Puti ni Uday. Oh, game shoot! Ah.
Pulutin mo. Tanggal sa pa.
Wow! Hi!
Pagkalan niyo.
Wow, sarap naman.
Our house, the new house.
Madam house. Hindi ko alam.
Today?
Hi!
So,
Kakatapos lang namin kumain. Super late yung lunch namin. Pero masarap. Saan yung next natin? Hi, Paul! Hi! So, may mga pangbata. Ito dito. Mamaya din tayo sa beach. Beach. Are you ready, guys? Ate Ayi! Sai! Sai!
yep.
Let's do this! Sa ice
My white jacket. Okay, sure. Okay, come up.
Exercise! Woohoo! Ate Ayi! Sunod kayo! Woohoo! Happy birthday to me! Ganda ng sunset. So relaxing. What can you say, Mother Earth? Speechless. Speechless. What about you?
Yung swing,
Yes. We're here in the Maldives. Ooh, Maldives of Qatar. Ooh, Ate Ai, you're so sexy in the back.
Ay, yung wrecking ball. Ganun talaga rin gamitin.
Oh, dahil wrecking ball talaga.
Scored by Marty.
Okay. We're going to our own restaurant here in Maldives. Woo! So magdi-dinner kami, guys. Hi! Colorful tayo. May pink dito, may green dito, orange, may black doon, may red, white. Ay. Yeah. Rainbow color. Black tayo, yes. Yellow. How does it taste, mother? Anong cuisine?
Italian.
Oh, this is Italian. Tiyayi, naghihirap na tayo kasi pagkain natin tinapay tsaka toyo. Pero in fairness, ang sarap niya. Dito lang yun sa Banana Island.
Vinaigrette.
Subukan mo tong bawang, tapos toyo, suka, adobong tinapay.
Ayun.
Ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Ate Uday. Sige Ate Uday, papayag ako. Diyan ka, dito ako.
Nabidyohan naman ako.
Tapos na ba?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Slice and
More
blessings
blessings
to
to
us,
us, guys.
Will.
Ha?
Ikaw ko muna. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you po. Ang ganda talaga. Opa! Thank you for coming, guys. Appreciate it, guys. Love you, guys. Yes, si Mama, ang laki naman ni Mama. Huwag ka nag-iisa dyan. Huwag ka nag-iisa dyan. Ano po ang birthday sa ano oras kasi makainay mo?
Thank you po. Tumayo eh. Thank you po. Stop mo na pakahambon.
We hope to see you all again soon. And the rest of the evening, please be considerate that the room has come to a complete stop.